Let me ask you a question. What if every month, even while you sleep, your phone keeps showing you steady alerts? This time is not debit alert, but steady credit alerts from investment that keep paying you. It sounds impossible, right? I used to think so too. Until I started learning how smart people in Nigeria are quietly building wealth, not through politics, but through smart, consistent investment that pay every single month. I'm Akugha Precious. I'm a certified business coach. And in this video, I will show you 7 smart investments you can start right now in Nigeria, even if you are broke or just starting out. So grab a pen because I'm not holding anything back today. Number 1 is money market funds. If you want something low risk that give you steady monthly interest, start here. Money market funds are like saving your money in a smart bank. Instead of giving you 5% a year, like banks, they give you 10% to 15% annually, and you receive your return every month. And the examples include Stanbic IBTC, money market funds, and Cowrywise. You can start with as little as 5,000 to 10,000 and watch it grow steadily. I remember when I first tested this, I started small, and 1 month later, I saw that alert. That tiny alert gave me hope that consistency pays. Number 2 is real estate crowdfunding. You don't need to buy a land or build houses to make money from real estate anymore. There are platforms like Quorium, Rivers, and Wealth.ng, where you invest with as little as 10,000 to 50K in real estate projects. They build, rent, or sell, and you get your share of profit every single month or quarterly. Imagine any rent without being a landlord. That's what smart Nigerians are doing right now. 3. Treasury bills and FGN savings. If you are scared of losing your money, this one is perfect. Treasury bills and FGN bonds are 100% backed by the government, and they pay interest monthly or quarterly. You can start from 5,000 on apps like Trove, Invest Now, or Chaka. It's like lending money to the government and getting paid for it. The rich use this to preserve wealth, and the wise use it to grow steadily. 4. Online dollar investment. Earn in USD. This one changed my mindset completely. Platforms like Rivers and Bamboo allow you to invest in dollar-dominated assets, meaning your money earns in dollar, not naira. They have plans that pay you monthly, depending on what you invest in: real estate, fixed income, or stock. I know a lady who started with just $20 on Rivers. 2 years later, her portfolio was paying her in dollars every single month. In this economy, that's powerful. 5 is agricultural investment platforms. Turn farm into profit. Agriculture isn't just for farmers anymore. With platforms like Farm Crowding, Agro Partners, and Tribe Agri, you can invest in farming projects online and earn return monthly or at harvest time. Imagine supporting a Nigerian farmers and any profit from it. You can start small, like 20K to 50K, and watch your investment yield real fruits. Number 6 is cooperative and micro investment groups. The power of community. Sometimes the smartest investments are built through people. If you have trusted friends or colleagues, start small cooperative groups. Everyone contributes a fixed amount monthly, and you rotate or invest together in small business ideas. Many women in Nigeria are using this method to fund mini importation or POS business, and even later, real estate. You'll be surprised how much consistency can build when you work together. The 7th is digital assets, AI tools, and content investments. This one is for the new generation, not crypto. I mean investment in digital tools, content, and AI systems that generate passive income. For example, creating a monetizing digital courses, selling AI-generated content, and investing in online platforms that pay you monthly for your digital works. It's not a typical investment, but it's the new way that Nigerians are building monthly cash flow online. Bonus tip: always reinvest your profits, no matter what you choose. The real secret is consistency. Don't withdraw your returns every month. That's how you move from 10,000 investment to a million naira portfolio. I know things are tough right now in Nigeria. The economy is biting. Inflation is real. But don't let that stop you. Start small, start smart, and start today. Remember, the goal isn't to get rich overnight. It's to build wealth every single month, step by step. Even if you are broke now, that can change. Because information like this is how you begin your transformation. If the video gave you value, please like so YouTube can push it to more Nigerians. Subscribe so you don't miss my next video on how to turn 50,000 naira into six-figure online. And tell me in the comments which of these investments you are going to start first.